welcome to this Powerbutton how-to video. In this video we're going to show you how to group together your Sonos speakers without the need of using the app. So here we go. What we've got the music playing in the kitchen. And what we're now going to do is simply join it together with the speaker in the lounge. All you need to do is press and hold the button on the speaker in the lounge. You'll hear a beep and the room will join the group. Then you can pass to another room, in this case say a bedroom. Same thing, simply press the play pause button, you'll hear the beep and the rooms will join together within the group. It's all confirmed on the app, so you've got good confirmation that the rooms are now joined together. Thanks very much, and we look forward to seeing you again for another how-to video from Powerbutton.